So now we have finished with the case of our closed augmentation rhinoplasty. We have done bilateral osteotomy, the lateral osteotomy and the medial osteotomy to reduce the width of the nose. Also, we have done dorsal augmentation, and we have done tip plasty, cephalic trim, and the columnar strut to increase some tip projection. So we can have a look at the her on table result. Okay, so now you can see we have done bilateral osteotomy in her case. So the width of the nose has been reduced. Also, we have done dorsal augmentation using a coastal cartilage graft. You can see her both nice dorsal aesthetic line. We have done tip plasty also. We have the tip was slightly broad, so we have reduced the size of the tip. We have done some tip projection also in her case, and everything is been done with a closed technique. So this is her on table result.